Crooked D. All right, friend, we're doing we reviewed your chords today, and then we played Boom Boom. So let's review the chords. They're on the back of your new book too. E minor, E major. Lose your ring finger is E7. A minor, A major. Pop your ring finger down to the second string, A7. And we didn't do these all, but we should have. D minor, D major, D7, 4-finger G, C add 9, shift this down 1/2 a step and put your ring finger up one, that's B7. And that all takes you back to the beginning. So Boom Boom just has this little blues riff that goes E, G, flat finger A, E. A, C, D, A. Again, flat finger A, proper C, D, A. And back to the original. E, G, A, E. This one resolves to the B. Like that. Again. Build your B7. It's back to the first. And that's the whole pattern. It's 12 bars. Okay, we reviewed the Statesboro Blues Taj Mahal version. You can start with your opening and do your turnaround. B7. You don't really need the pinky though. So you start with the turnaround and go. Now it's just the blues and E. Woke up this morning, had them Statesboro Blues. Woke up this morning, had them Statesboro Blues. Now for the B, just do a power chord. You got D, A, turn around. And start it again. And then just, I'll sneak in your Black Dog riffs here. Bridge riff, which is also based on this E, but with the hammering on the low E. That's all the parts we've covered so far. Have fun.